Hello, hello. Let's see if this is working. Yeah, I hear myself. Just wait for people to join. If you're already here and YouTube hasn't informed me, please let me know in the chat. I think it's this kind of low. Let me like this. Hey, David Lee, how are you? Welcome. I'm back. Yesterday we couldn't have a stream. Sorry about that. We were doing some important things. So if you have any question, ask David Lee. Just ask away. Today we're going to talk about hosting on your servers and local hosting your website to do a few changes and more important stuff that will help you get faster in modifications. Okay? Miguel, hello. How are you, Miguel? Welcome back, David. You can ask the question now. We're going to start in 3 minutes. Okay? What is the question, Miguel? Sorry, David. What is the question, David? Thank you, Miguel. George, how are you? Welcome back. Can we make, let's see, David Lee's question. Can we make in one app both food ordering and delivery from products from supermarkets? Yeah. Yeah, the ordering app with multi-stores is exactly for something like that. Okay, David? So if your ordering website is already showing the marketplace, like multiple business types, you won't have any issues. Your ordering app will show the same, so don't worry about it. George, just what I need now. What is it that you need, George? Please let me know. I have just one. About the App Store. I think you've heard from that personal developer account, Yeah, the personal iOS is called individual. I remember. Yeah, with that one, it's okay. The only thing that changes is that we will uh, ask you a few times about some codes because you can't have like users in your account. But yeah, that one works perfectly, so don't worry about it. That one will work perfectly. Just 30 more seconds. And we are going to start. No, George, that this is different. You haven't get a solution from support? Where is the issue there? What is happening, George? How do I say in the App Store? How do it say in the App Store? No, George, that's something different. We are not going to talk about it right now. I will try to find a solution. Let me get someone here. David Lee, you can send me an email. Let me share it with you. David, here's my email. Feel free to send me as many emails as you like. I answer in less than 2 days because of the workload. Okay, Miguel, my personal first last name or commercial one as developer. Yeah, yours. Yours. Let me see. You can put over there your company name, I think. I remember something about it. Because when the apps are downloaded from the store, uh, it will say the developer's name in the bottom of that. So let me show you what I mean. I will answer this and then we are going to just start the class, okay guys? Remember, if you have any questions and it's not related to the today's topic, I will leave it at the end. If it is related, I will answer it before the other ones, okay? Let me go. Let me show you how it looks, Miguel, okay? So, this one. When you are downloading something like this, here is the developer's name. So, I think it's better if you put your company's name over there because it looks well more professional, and also when they click on that button, it shows all the apps that that developer has available. Let me know if what you think. But I think you can put. I remember you can put the company name. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's start today's class. I'll go back here. As you can see, we're going to talk about hosting on your servers and local hosting your website. Yeah, you can, Miguel. So, what is this? How this works? Uh, I will explain everything I know and how this can improve your business. Okay. So, let's take a look at that at the end, George. I don't know much. I have already asked support. I hope I get an answer by the end of the stream. Okay. First, hosting your servers. Um, to host your servers, sorry, to host your website, your front end in your servers, the the purpose of this is to make your sites go faster because we have several servers around the world. However, if you are, for example, we have one customer that is in Africa, the nearest server over there was not close enough to make it like super fast. What we did is that we put his front end code closer in another server. To do something like that, I want to show you what are the requirements for it. Okay, let me do something here. I will show you. My computer is a bit slow, sorry. Give me 1 second. If you're experiencing that kind of load that I'm mentioning, probably it's because of something like that. However, most of you are just running very good because we cover most of the world with the servers we have with the instance. Okay, so what you need for to install something like sorry the open source front end in your servers, the minimum requirements that the server must have is to run Angular JS. Most of the servers have this, so there won't be any problem. If the server you currently have does not, get a new one. Also, the capacity of the CPU and the RAM may vary a lot depending on the usage. For example, our server has two high speed Xeon cores with 8 gigabytes and everything here, okay? For a single hosting, two regular cores with 4 RAM should be more than enough. So minimum you require two regular cores, two regular cores with 4 of RAM, and that should be enough. If what I'm saying to you right now it's total confusing, don't you worry. You don't need to do this. This is just something extra, okay? This is something extra that you can use with your ordering installation or in order to make faster changes on it. Okay, you can take it. You can take it, or you can just ignore it. Your site will work perfectly with the servers we provide. You don't have to do any coding or anything else. So don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. This is only like a plus. Okay. Now, the other thing that I wanted to talk to you. This is for hosting. Also, you need to have the open source power up activated in your installation. Uh, there's you can't how do I say you can't host something if you don't have it in your builder. What we do is that we take your front end code, or you can do it yourself. Okay, you take the front end code and then you install it in your servers. However, if you don't have the open source power up enabled, you won't be able to see it. Okay. Remember also, if you have any questions, type it in the chat and I help you out. One more. The other subject is local hosting your website. This is one of the most um, uh, helpful features that we have because with the open source uh, with the power up, you are able to just download the full code of your front end in your computer, do the modifications, test it in almost real time. It takes 2 seconds, and do a lot of faster changes. Um, what is the advantage? The advantage of this is that you won't need to go in the builder, then change something, then make it build, then upgrade version, and so on. Okay, and it takes a lot of time. If you have the open source power up, it will show something like this. Right now, I'm going to download this. It will take a few minutes. Where is it? This is okay. This start downloading right here. Let's see, Miguel, George. You can ask Mauricio for my email. I can send you a screenshot. Is Cloudflare? I have configured my own. Oh yeah, George, send me an email with Miguel's suggestion. I think it's very cool. Thank you, Miguel. Mauricio, would you give support on my own servers? No, no, that is not part of ordering support. If something happens, you will have to get in touch with their server support. What we can help you with is giving you like clues on how to put it in your servers, But something like that, no, we don't support those kind of services because we will have to learn how the other servers works and all that. Okay, it's not profitable. Let's wait for this to download. 11 seconds. 9, 8, 9, 8, 10. What is this? Okay, now when we get the code, the zip, this is the one. Okay, I have already downloaded another one. I will delete this one. Okay, once the zip is downloaded. On Mac, I found an issue. You have to get the Unarchiver. I don't know how to say it. The Unarchiver app in order to open. If you do it by default app, it won't work. Check this out. It does this. However, if I open with the Unarchiver, it opens. It creates the folders with all the aspects for your front end and so on. Okay. So I would recommend you that if you're on Mac. If you're on Windows, and I think every zip opener works, so you shouldn't have any issues. Um, the what is the word I'm looking for? When you have the file opened, you have to go in your web underscore and the number, then right click it, then go in services, then new terminal, tab, add folder. I am not sure if you have the you have to install HTTP servers if you don't have something like this. This HTTP server provides a link where you can emulate all the things that are inside that folder. So for example, I have already opened the folder in my terminal on Mac. Then what I would do is call, activate the command HTTP slash dash server. Then this terminal is going to give me two URLs. Sometimes these are four or according to your computer or something, okay, or location, okay? I will open this one like this, just like this. The terminal will do some changes. Let me just get some order here, okay, like this. And as you can see, this is your website demo. However, it's in a different URL because we're going to change this. So you have to look for the things that you want to change. For example, assets and PHP are some actions and some functionalities of the website. So you don't want to mess with those at first. However, what I would recommend you is to go in templates, then web, then let's say images, IMG. Then what can we do? Let's change this one. Instead of going in the builder and changing the image and then putting the right size and then upgrading version and building website, what we're going to do is to change this name for something like this, and then we're going to upload a new image. Let me look for it. Let me get another image. Okay, I have one here. I will download this one and then I will go back in IMG. Then this one, I'm going to put it right here. And then I'm going to change the name of that image with the one my previous image had. So what this is going to do, the website is going to take the new information that I have uploaded. It's just like the variables. If you change the content of the variable, it will show on your front end. It works the same. What we have to do now, it's stop the HTTP. Then we're going to turn it on one more time. HTTP server. Okay. Oh, HTTP server. Okay. Then let me show you what a common issue that you might have. Okay. If you take this URL, it won't show the change. Why? This is because this saves cache. It is similar the one to the of the website. However, if you put this URL, check this out. It'll do some. things here, and then it will show the changed image. Why? Because this URL is brand new, it doesn't have cache or anything. So what I would recommend is for you to do 5, 6 changes, then shut down the HTTP server, then activate it one more time, then do the proper changes. Sorry, then just check the URL without the cache or put it on incognito window. Both work, and that's it. So imagine the way you can change like every aspect of your. I hear myself robotic. You can hear me well? Well, okay, let's just continue. So, uh, you can change all the aspects that you have in your front end just by going here. There are a few things uh, that you can't change from the builder. So here you have all the files. Remember, this is the power up, the open source power up. You have to get it and then do the changes and so on. Okay, it doesn't. It is not included. The open source is only included on, I think, on Platinum package. Let me take a look. Pricing. Open source, yeah, it is only included on Platinum. And for the other packages, you have to purchase it. You have to go in your power ups section right here, and you have to get it. Open source custom. No, I will just look for it under open. Here is okay. You have to get it if you want to do faster customization. If you don't, you can still play with search and replace. And oh, also when you do the change, after you have done all the things that you require of your website here in the file, you will have to go in search and replace and then perform the changes. Okay? You will have to go in. What I mean by search and replace is that here in your builder, you will have to click here in the product that we are working on, then developers, then search and replace. Here you will put the file, then the search for this, and then change it for the new code that you want to put, and you do quicker changes of your website because the developers create like a environment for testing. So they create all the changes over there and leave it everything ready. So when you come here, you just copy the things old things, and then you put the new ones, and they change are really quickly. This is more advanced. I am honest with you. This is advanced, but you can work something like this with your own developer. Okay, let me answer the question. If we buy your software, will where will will be hosted? The hosting or virtual servers will be included when no any package that you get, it's already the hosting is already included. We we take that cost in our packages, so you don't have to worry about it. Amin, hello, how are you? Welcome back. Okay, now guys, this is what I wanted to talk to you today. I don't know if you have any questions. Do not forget to type in the chat, and I'll be happy to hear everything you have to ask me. Okay, let's jump into Q&A. Yes, David, don't worry about it. This is just like uh, for more power for your website. Let me. This is very Today is very hot. Amin, do you have any questions? Anything I can help you with? David, George, Miguel. Please let me know what you think. If you want to get it, you can go and purchase it in the power ups section. Uh, this is the link for the power ups. Marlene, hello, welcome. How are you? I don't know if you were looking for me yesterday. I couldn't be here, so sorry about that. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll give you a couple of more minutes. Let me know what you think. Okay, George. Yeah, this video also will get uploaded in the YouTube channel. So, yeah, you can take a look after. Okay, David. Um, may I know which other softwares you're looking for? I would like to know. I have to look up. I have to look up the name of the question. What do you mean, Marlene? I mean, nope. Did you read my message? Oh, wait. You mean like an email or something? I mean, oh, I can see I have a message, an email here. Oh, Jungle works. Yeah, we know those guys. Those are very expensive to create the full platform, but give it a try. Give it a try. We don't want to use. You have to try it to understand how they work and everything. I mean, yeah. I see a message. I think Ramon is helping you. I mean, but did you send a message here or somewhere else? Something regarding advanced logistics. It is not working. I think it is fixed. Let's see. I don't know. I have to take a deeper look. Yesterday I was very busy. Sorry. If you sent a message here, I can't see it. If you had like URLs and emails, something like that, YouTube doesn't show them to me, or even to you in the chat. Maybe only to you. David, Google works. Yeah, they are good, but the solution is it's a little confusing for me because you have to get a lot of products in order to create one full solution or something like that. I will start to email it to you guys right now. You will start. I I see a few emails here from 2 days ago. I don't know if that's what you mean, Ramon. August 3rd. Everything is from 2 days ago, apparently. Yeah, yeah, David, it's a bit confusing, I know. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, please, I mean. Yeah, yeah. By the way, that David, by the way, how languages can be translated? Languages in app. You have a multi-language feature in your website and app. Actually, let me look for something really quickly, David. Give me just 1 second. Just give me 1 second, okay? Because I remember recently we talked about multi-language. Was it on? I don't remember if it was on Q&A, but let me see. Let me see what I can find, David. Let's see. I'm looking at a few videos, okay? Give me 1 second, David. Let me see what I can find. If not, that yeah, I don't have it on hand. However, yes, David, you have a multi-language feature in your ordering installation, according to your package, of course, the power-ups. Multi multi-language. Okay, like this, multi-language. Let me send you the article for this. What you have to do is just activate the multi-language. We have, I think, 27 languages. If the language you're looking for is not there, we will have to add it. Okay, how we add it, we take a CSV with the words you want to put in the new language, because we translate it with Google Translate, and there are a few words that are not really matching, so you will have to just change those, and then we upload the new language, and those will get reflected in your apps and on your website. And that's it, basically. If you want to change something later on, you have the language manager tool. Let me show it to you. The language manager tool is in your website. When you are logged in as a super admin, it'll show something like, okay, here's sorting university. If it's not there, let me check, David. I'll get back to you, Marley. Just give me 1 second. Just 1 second, okay? It will look something like this. And here, if you do the changes on your variables, it'll be showing like, for example, if you look for the ordering university rocks, what was the title of the home? Ready, ready for your party. So if we look for that, you will have to do the changes right away, like ready for this, and then if we want to for your business, something like that. To view the changes, you will have to open an incognito window, because to clear cache faster. Ordering university. I have another incognito window, so the changes might not show until I close them, or let's see, maybe it works. My internet is very bad today. Sorry, guys. Oh, well, it worked. So yeah, this is how you will change all the words of your website and apps. And now let me see the price of that. Multi, multi, business owners. Mm, is it included in all the packages? Let's see. Maybe I lied to you. You don't have to get nothing, it's already there. Multi, yeah, language. Multi business Oh, wait, wait, wait. I was in analytics again. Multi. Yeah, here is. I knew it was power up. It's 200 USD. It's for your website and apps, and it is one-time payment. So you pay 200 one time, and that's it. You get it for life. Okay, very cheap. Okay, Marlene, I believe my question is about JSON. Is that something we have to create to build the apps? Is JSON for Android and Apple or just for Android? Do you believe your question is about JSON is something we have to create? No, I know what you mean. I understand, Marlene. Let me show you what I think you mean. Okay. David, let me know if there's any question. I'll be happy to help you, okay? Uh, Marlene, did you mean this thing? This is if you're talking about this, it is only required if you have to upload. If you want to upload the app, clicking the start button. Okay. I mean, as you can see, here is your email. Do you want me to take? I will take a look right now. Okay, I just saw your email. I think this is what you're talking about, Marlene. You don't need it. It is optional. If you want to, you can upload it the manual way. That's okay. But if you want to get this uh, with only clicking the start button here in the builder, you will have to put the JSON. You can learn more about that app keys in this tutorial, Marlene. Let me share it with you. Uh, JSON. Let's see if it shows with the. Oh yeah, here it is. And here you go, Marlene. Okay. Let's see. I mean, what you have for me. Is it a surprise or what? Oh, I clicked something else. Should I wash it right here? Let's see. Let's see. I mean, this is loading. Do you talk in this Loom? Let's see. I can't show you. Remember, if you have any questions, do not forget to contact. Is that our information? How did you get it? I mean, that's weird. Or where is that? I mean, where did you get it? That's very weird. I can speak in details. When we want or Android build. Yes, Marlene. We will help you to create the images and everything in the listing. Yes, uh, every time I answer it like normally, don't worry about it. What is it? I mean, Yep. My email. Wait. Yes, I will check my email. Marlene, when we want to run it, yeah, my emails are online. I'm not sure what's the next step. So, Marlene, if you already have included them in the form, we will just create like your full apps, just like that. Okay. So don't worry about it. Yeah. What does that mean? I haven't gotten any email. What should I look for? You still with me? I mean, do you want to send me just via email so we can close today's the stream for today. Let me know, guys, if you have any question. I'll give you 2 more minutes. Okay, let's see. I got the new email. No subject. Oh, it's a long email. I will uh, answer you over email so we don't like just take everyone's uh, time. Okay. Well, guys, that'll be for today's stream. I will be seeing you tomorrow. Remember, same time, same channel, same guy, me. Yeah, I mean, thank you. I will, of course, check this out right now. Okay. If there's anything I can help you with, do not forget to send me an email, mauricio@ording.co. I try my best to help you all the time. And see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Thank you very much. We're over 600 subscribers here. I hope to create a very good community. Okay, guys? Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye. I mean, I'll be reading this right now, okay? Don't you worry, I got you. You know it. George, send me an email. Send me an email with the email address as issue. Uh, Direct to me. You know my email. I will take a look right now. Also, have a great day. Ciao. See you tomorrow, guys.